Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll be diving straight into how to use UPBASE for construction project management. The first thing we want to do is create a new project. This is as simple as clicking on the New Project icon on your dashboard. Once you've done that, you'll need to input the project details, including the name, location, and estimated timeline. This helps us because it keeps all the project's pertinent information in one place and allows everyone involved to stay on the same page. Now that we've got our project set up, it's time to add team members. You can do this by clicking on Add Team Members in the project settings. Here, you'll be able to invite your team members by email. This is crucial because it ensures everyone on your team has access to the project and can contribute their skills and knowledge. Next up, it's time to set up your tasks. You'll find the Add Tasks button in the project's main interface. The reason we do this is to break down the project into manageable chunks, assign responsibilities, and set deadlines. This helps us because it gives the team a clear understanding of what needs to be done and when. Let me explain why this matters. In construction, timing is everything. Delays can cost a lot of money, so having a clear plan is vital. That's where the Gantt chart feature comes in. It's a visual timeline of your tasks, showing who's doing what and when. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. UPBASE is automatically updating this chart based on the tasks and timelines you've inputted, making project management a breeze. Lastly, don't forget to use the Files feature. You can upload any relevant documents here, from blueprints to contracts. This is important because it ensures that everyone has access to the necessary resources to complete their tasks. And there you have it. That's how you use UPBASE for construction project management. Remember, the key is to keep everything organized and communicate with your team effectively. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.